Yo, my name is Zosh.
Yo, it's Young Static.
What's cracking, guys? This is Christian from Honda Vlogs.
Yo, vatos locos. This is Lazymangarage. And you know who you're watching?
You're watching Lazymangarage.
You're watching Lazymangarage.
And you're watching Lazy Man's Garage.
Lazymangarage.
Today I'm wearing this tie to prove to you motherfuckers that I could be sophisticated. But just so you know. So Jake is back. What are we doing today, Jake?
Shift selector springs.
Okay, so you're gonna show me how to install those because I have never seen it before. I have no idea on how to do it.
Super easy.
I think that was my ex. Okay, so now you're removing the pin, right?
Yeah, the cotter pin.
Just so you know, I'm gonna critique you on this whole thing. Doesn't look like you're doing it so good.
I don't know. Give up. That's when I pick it up.
After removing that pin, the shift selector should just pop right up and come right out, like so. He says he's doing something that has to do with springs. I'm not too sure what this means on the K series. I just noticed you painted your valve cover yellow.
Yes, sir.
Just now noticed that. But he says he's going to change the springs on this thing. So today we're both going to learn something new because I don't know what the fuck that means. So it never hurts to actually learn something new from somebody that knows a little bit more than you do. It's always better for me because I can learn it and then I can use it to my advantage. So he's teaching me how to change out the spring selector shifters, doohickey majigs on his 2000 what is it, 2002 Integra Type R Type S Mugen Edition spoiler spoon. That's the LBC intake manifold. Yeah, I know. He got the banana yellow valve cover. It's canary yellow. He got that Me Too intake manifold because K-Tune can't afford it because, you know, times are tough. He does have a K-Tune end links though for his suspension, so that's cool. He dailies this and races this legally. Races this legally. What he's doing right now is taking out his battery, give himself a little bit more room. I think I need a lot more room, if you know what I'm saying. Getting fat. So remember that guy I told you about that has a TL down the street? And he drives by and just goes, run. It's like 3 in the morning yesterday. I'm outside talking to Mike, my buddy. And you just hear him going, run, drives right here, flips a bitch, and drives back to where he lives. And you hear, boom! And I was like, I screamed it out. I was like, yes! Because that dude just keeps revving his motor, and I don't know what he's hoping for, more horsepower or something, but he blew it.
I don't know how you do it.
And I knew he was going to blow it too because he's one of those JDM boys. You know, the ones that have a little leaf inside. I used to be one of those guys also. A little JDM leaf. And his car says like, I heart my Honda type of stuff, but not the sticker from Honda like Jake sells. But blew his motor. If you're watching this, sorry, but if you need it changed, I can change it for you. But I'll change it for you for a fee. Mistake. He has an engine intake. My mistake. Taking out the battery tray so he has more room because we got these big paws here. Okay, so he removed the shift selector and inside there it looks booty ass naked. But where he's changing the spring is on this little doohickey that he has right here in his hand. And that is going to have a spring on it, which is right there.
Dual spring. Big one and the small one.
And he's going to change into the hybrid racing springs that he got from a buddy. Just putting a rag in there so no dust or dirt gets inside. And I'm going to grab his keys and we're going to migrate over there so he can take it apart.
So what you're gonna do, you're gonna find a little locking nut. It's a 12 millimeter.
Find and locate the 12 millimeter locking nut. Bolt. Chingas. It is a bolt and a washer. Carefully remove the flux capacitor from its shaft. Just like so. Make sure this does not move all over the place, because this will fuck up your placing on the transmission. So I think, and these are the difference in the springs from old to new. Obviously the silver ones are new. The black ones are old because they're covered in oil. And those are the difference. Hybrid racing.
That's OEM.
That's OEM?
Mm-hmm. That's hybrid racing.
Oh, that's hybrid racing? Is that the one I was already in?
No.
Hmm?
This is the one that was already in.
Oh, that's the one I was already in? So
Yeah.
the black ones are hybrid racing?
Yeah.
Okay, so the black ones are hybrid racing, and the gray ones aren't. Just slide the bad boy in, hopefully. Now with it all connected and together, you put the bolt back in, because the shaft has a threaded hole for the bolt and washer. Thread it in by hand, don't use power tools when you're doing this. You have to compress the mechanism in order to keep the springs down so you can get to the hole, so it's kind of hard because his hands are oily. And there it goes. Was that Honda one?
Yep.
After installing the shift selector, that's what it looks like, all done. I don't know if I'm gonna, well, I'm not driving it, but I don't know if you're gonna feel a difference on it, but I guess we'll see.
Supposed to. Doesn't really feel good. May have went a little overboard with the Honda
I think you went a little over with the Honda bond. Oh wait, I think it's starting. So like super long.
Let me see. You see it? It's not in there. Let me see.
Pull it up.
Yeah, let me see it.
How's it feel?
Exactly the same.
Maybe when you're driving it, you might feel a difference. Okay, so it's another day, and I'm testing out my brother's wheel bearing to see if it's fucked up or not. Because he decides to drive to LA, and we live in San Bernardino, so that's a far ass drive. So far, so good. Everything seems to be running just fine. I don't feel it doing its shaking or anything like that. Yeah, he, God damn, is he fucking short. Alright, let me turn off the AC. See if I can hear it. I don't feel nothing. I don't let my go. The steering wheel doesn't pull to the right or left. Nothing. Sometimes I feel like he makes things up on his own, but he says once you hit 50. So right now we're going 35, 42. No, I don't. We just hit 47 and I don't feel anything at all. It's weird. Okay, we'll try this again right now. Going 50, nothing. Don't feel nothing. Let me get him in the car with me. Kevin, get in the car with me. Why? Just get in the car. Does it sound any different to you?
Yeah.
Doesn't sound different to me.
Sounds like it's rough. You can't feel the fucking rough spin in the gas
No.
right now on the gas pedal?
Nope. That's the road I'm feeling.
You probably should be on the freeway then, because that's when it really acts up.
Because I went 50 like you said, and I'm not feeling anything different. That's the thing. I don't understand. I went 50 miles an hour.
Pothole.
Yeah, it's fine. It's a pothole.
I'm telling you, I drive this car every day, and I could feel there's something different going on. with the
Okay,
fucking spin.
from now on, what I want you to do, when it comes to your car and you're having problems and you can't explain it to me because I don't really leave the house, I want you to film it for me and show me.
But I can't film that when I'm driving. How can I film what's wrong with my tire when I'm driving?
Well,
It's
I mean,
feeling.
it's feeling fine to me. Like I went 50 miles an hour, like you told me.
Let me drive it right now and see if I can feel it.
Okay, well hold on. I'm going around the block. I'm hitting dips and stuff, so that way I can see if the brake shield. Because what I think it was is because when I moved the brake shield, it was pretty loose, so it moved against the rotor. So if you were hearing weep, weep, weep,
That could have been it then. That's what I'm saying. Let me drive it when you're done driving around the block, and I'll see if I still feel it. And if that was the problem, then you fixed it.
Oh yeah, of course.
But
I don't hear nothing.
yeah, I'm not hearing it right now either.
You would hear it, definitely. You would definitely hear it. That guy looks pissed off. Go drive it. Tell me how it feels. In the meantime, I'm gonna go potty, so I'll be right back. And now we'll find out. He got here just in time too. I just got done taking a piss. I'm gonna check out his wheel bearing on Friday and see if that's the problem. Because right now it's kind of late and we don't have time, and it's gonna get dark pretty fucking soon. But if you guys want anything from Neo's Garage, the link will be down in the description down below. If you guys want anything from Activia Racing, the link will also be down in the description down below, along with our Instagrams. I also started Twitch streaming, which is a great way for you to come and chill and hang out. If you guys want to, I'll be streaming every night on Xbox. Soon I'm going to transition to PC. The link for my Twitch stream will be also linked down below if you guys are interested. I'm Chris from Lazymangarage, and we get shit done when we feel like it. Peace.